This is the video on the epidermis and dermis. The skin is made up of 3 different layers. They each contain different types of cells, glands, and receptors, which aid us in everything from touch sensation to regulating body temperature. The outermost layer of the skin is the epidermis. Whenever you see skin, it is the epidermis that you're actually viewing. This layer is mainly important for protection. Microorganisms and debris can be detrimental to the body, so the epidermis keeps us safe by being the tough exterior barrier. It also helps us with touch sensation. The epidermis itself is made up of 5 sublayers. The first of these is the stratum corneum. Also coined the horny layer because of the toughness of the cells, the stratum corneum is responsible for repelling water and shedding. It consists of about 20 layers of cells, the outermost of which are dead and actually shed to your environment. This constant cycling through dead cell layers keeps us well protected. When you get out of a hot shower and rub your skin, little flakes of skin can come off. This is your stratum corneum. Below this is the stratum lucidum. This layer is only found in the palms, fingers, and bottoms of the feet and act as an extra precautionary layer. Since the skin is more prone to injury at those locations, the body has more skin for debris to have to go through. The next layer is the stratum granulosum. This layer produces keratin. Additionally, the keratohyalin granules have lipids which help prevent fluid loss. This is crucial since so many bodily functions rely on an aqueous environment. The stratum spinosum is the layer that protects us from UV radiation. In this layer, melanin is given to the keratinocytes, or skin cells. It is also the layer that makes our skin durable and flexible. The last layer of the epidermis is the stratum basale. This is where the keratinocytes are initially formed and where the dermis is connected to the epidermis. The stratum basale also contains melanocytes that also protect us from UV radiation and give us our unique skin tones. The keratinocytes formed in the stratum basale move up the layers until they reach the stratum corneum, where they die and are shed to the environment. This means the layers are always changing. Below the epidermis is the dermis. The dermis contains a myriad of things like nerves, blood cells, hair roots, and glands. This is the layer that cushions us when the body is impacted and enables us to receive sensation from our external environments. The nerves, or receptors, help us sense touch, temperature, pain, and pressure. They are outlined in the receptor overview video. The blood vessels oxygenate our skin and bring it the nutrients it needs to operate. It also brings immune cells to help our skin kill infections and platelets to help us form clots when the skin barrier is punctured and bleeds. Since collagen is produced in the dermis, this thick part of the skin gives us the most strength and elasticity of all the skin layers. Below the dermis is the subcutaneous layer. Made up of mostly fat cells, this layer contains more blood cells and nerves to aid in the aforementioned functions, but it also helps regulate body temperature and cushions our organs from any physical trauma. This ends the video on the layers of the skin.